In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop to your bank account. We'll walk through the full process from logging in to seeing the funds arrive, with clear tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by signing in to your Whop account. Use a secure connection, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your code ready. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Finance section, then open Payouts. This is the hub for setting up your payout method and requesting withdrawals. Before you move any money, make sure your payout method is set up correctly. If you haven't added one yet, connect your bank account and complete any required verification. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears with your bank, and double-check your account and routing details if those are requested. Depending on your region, you may be asked to provide identity or business information. If verification is still pending, withdrawals won't complete, so it pays to finish this step first. Next, confirm you actually have funds available to withdraw. Go to Balances or Earnings and look at your available amount versus any pending or on hold funds. Recent sales or refunds can affect what's immediately available, and clearing times can vary. When you're ready, select Withdraw, sometimes labeled Payout. This opens the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose the correct bank account from the list. Take a moment to review everything: the amount, the destination account, and any notes about minimums, fees, or currency. If Whop shows an estimated arrival date, use that to set expectations. When it all looks right, confirm the withdrawal. Quick note while we're here: if you need the official Whop website link or the mobile app download link, you'll find it right at the top of the description so you can follow along on your own device. After you confirm, your payout moves into processing. This can take a few business days and may be affected by your bank, your location, weekends, or holidays. You can track the status back in Finance or Payouts, and you may receive an email update when the transfer is initiated. If it's taking longer than expected, recheck your bank details and make sure your verification is fully complete. Finally, once processing is finished, the money will appear in your bank account. Give your bank statement time to update, then confirm the deposited amount matches what you requested. That's the whole flow. Sign in, open Finance and Payouts, set up your bank, verify your balance, request a withdrawal, and wait for processing. Thanks for watching.